Oh.
Come on.
One more time, Samantha. Yeah. 1, 2. Now back more. Back. Limits. Samantha, you're like this. After 1, 2, then last one. Back. Understand, yes, sir? If just like this, not gonna break. Your hand must come all the way back and then fast like this. Understand, yes, sir? Ready? 1, 2. Now all the way back. Fast. Oh. One more time. Let me see how hard you can hit my hand. Ready? 1, 2, go. Aya! One time. Ready? 1, 2, aya! Oh, no problem. Understand, yes, sir? Don't be afraid of this. Understand? Get over here, Emmanuel.
Yes, sir.
Stand right there.
Yes, sir.
A bit closer.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Samantha, when you break, I want you to hit him in the chest. Understand, yes, sir? Ready? 1, 2, 5! Ooh. Give me a ball. Bow to your parents first. Now go run to your parents. Yes, I do. How old are you, Gabriel?